Mommy, your scar? Where's your scar, Malachi? There it is. All right. Okay. Those boys have special chairs, don't they? That boy has special legs, doesn't he?
A place of extraordinary children's medicine.
That baby has a special hat, huh?
Extraordinary victories. That's the Michigan difference.
Malachi, who is that?
That Dr. Spring.
Is that Dr. Oye?
Dr. Oye!
Did he fix your heart?
Yeah, he just fixed my heart.
Can you say thank you, Dr. Oye?
Thank you, Dr. Oye, Dad. Listen to the bird song again.